G'day everyone, the Global Surveyor, and I found a corner mark which I need to measure to as part of the subdivision I'm undertaking. It's a drill hole and wing in rock here, and quite easy to find for me today because the previous surveyor has done their job by placing a line of rocks. You can see here, and a line of rocks heading out there, which delineate the direction of the boundary. That's called a lockspit or a rockspit, as some people may know it as. And at this corner there was a reference tree. Well, I found the reference tree, which is super exciting. Unfortunately, the blaze with the survey reference mark is no longer there, so that tree won't be used as part of my boundary definition. I can note it as being there, but I won't actually show any distance to it because it's can't be used. I'm the Global Surveyor. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and see you later.